Hi students, in this week, week 5 and week 6, we're going to be working with the circuit construction kit for direct current. So once you open the simulation, you must click on this light bulb, and then here you have a group of tools like batteries, wires, light bulb, resistors, switches. And in this other side we have voltmeters and meters. We can see the flow of the current, we can see the flow of the electrons, right? So if you want to create a circuit, the only thing you have to do is to start just drawing the different components. For example, I draw here a cable, now a battery, for example. I can put now, if I want, a resistor over here. I can put another piece of wire. I can put a switch if I want. I put another wire here. We have a problem here. Let me break. You can make a click, and then you could you had a, and you see I can just cut a union, just making a right click. That means a left click. That let you cut any union. I can also, for example, just close the circuit here. You can extend the wires as much as you want. Okay, I'm gonna do something like this now here, and then I will close the circuit now. Make it clear. You see how the electrons are flowing. If you want, you can pick a voltmeter and you can measure, the voltage to the left and to the right of the resistor. When the circuit is open, you have no voltage. When you close it, there are 9 volts. That is basically the voltage of the battery. If you want to change the resistance of the resistor, you make a left click in the resistor, and then you can change the resistance just moving this knob. Same story, you want to change the resistance of the battery, the voltage of the battery, you can just click on the battery and you can move this knob, increasing or decreasing the electromotive force. Also, you can put a ammeter. Remember that the ammeter must be connected in series with respect to all the other components of your circuit. So in this case, it's not like the voltmeter that you connect in parallel. So you have just to connect the ammeter as part of the circuit. This is basically how this simulation works. There are some examples there, of the circuit you have to create in your assignment. So I hope that this video will just be useful for you to complete your homework. Thank you, and I hope you do a great job.